I'm the only one showing you.
This is a year later. This is a daily driver. Performance-wise, I haven't cleaned it yet. And that's what you have, guys. Professional coating. Still doing its job year after year.
Ooh, another annual inspection. Somebody's been happy for the last year, 365 days, 12 months, and 52 weeks of ceramic pro gold on their vehicle. Yeah, Mr. Kring has brought me vehicles in the past. Who else is showing you vehicles year after year after year?
No one.
You know why? Because they're snake oil con artists. Snake oil con artists! Because their shit don't work. Ceramic Pro works when installed properly, when done by people that know what they're doing, when they know how to prep the vehicle.